18 months ago, we decided to get our first 4x4 car. Look at it. And today, we decided to put it to the test. Let's go! So when we bought our car, we were told that the car can do everything. So today we were actually gonna try it. So for the last few months, since we bought the car, we've been doing some drives to the desert, some dune bashing and so on. So we have learned the basics. We are not experts by any means. It's been fun. But now we want to put the car to the test. We want to know its limits because, again, if you remember, a few months ago we went to Oman. And we went on a very shady road, and to be honest, I'm not a skilled driver. So now we're gonna go to this, it's called XQuarry, hopefully I'm saying it right, Adventure Park. So it's basically a 4x4 park where we're gonna go through some obstacles, we're gonna go some rivers and so on. So I've never been to this park, so let's go and check it out. It should be fun. Let's go. After arriving at XQuarry, we had the chance to meet other off-road enthusiasts, and after a short briefing about the park and the trails, we were ready to go.
Amor. An obstacle. Difficult, you skip it. Amor.
I'll go for it.
Amor, you skip
I'll
it.
go for it.
You skip it.
I went through the snow in a Corolla in Armenia. Do you think they will stop the Bronco?
Amor.
The Bronco?
Amor.
Bronco.
was it? Crazy, huh?
If you own a 4x4 vehicle, we would strongly recommend you to go to one of these parks because you not only get to meet new people, but you get to know your car and your own driving limitations. This is the end of the video. What do you think of the obstacles? I'm wondering which one would you do, which one would you not do? As you saw, there were a couple of obstacles we didn't do because we were afraid. It's normal, be humble, accept your limits. So let us know in the comments which one you like the most and which one you would be afraid the most. See you.